Guess what? I heard that the fonts are back, as in they're back big enough to be able to read in the Model X. So yesterday, Jules put on a software release, and it is 2020.48.35.5, and I heard on Facebook that this puts the fonts in the Model X back to a size that, you know, normal people can read, or people that that didn't need glasses before can go back to not needing their glasses. I don't know if the fonts are really increased in Jules or not. As far as I know, this is just basically a bug fix. It's not a full-fledged release. There are no actual release notes, I should make that clear, associated with it. It's just everything we've already seen before, the new solitaire game and the Battle of Polytopia, Cat Quest, all of that stuff. There really wasn't a, you know, there's not new function here, but there are bug fixes. So I can't tell on Jules that I see anything different. Let me go get in the driver's seat and see if the stuff up here when you're in the driver's seat, the gear selection and stuff, if it looks any bigger to me. I guess I'm going to say PRND, the lights, they look the same to me. But again, what I heard was that the font was back to a readable size in the Model X. Unfortunately, Ruby doesn't have it yet, but as soon as she has it, I'll be trying to confirm in Ruby. And sorry today's video is late. Sorry today's video is so short. Stay tuned tomorrow for a little update on 2 days worth of what was going on. And everything's fine and details, unexciting as they are, coming.